Okay, so we're going to add some account or going to create user. So first we're going to create a user. Admin just admin the next. After that, add to user group. Then next, then create user. After that, you have a admin. So let's enable some security. So go to security credential. As you can see, there's a assigned no NFA. So just click this, then authentication of device name. So put our device name here. Then okay, next. Okay, bakit ayaw? So yan, natin yung space. Then you need to download a Google Authenticator. Then click lang natin. Wait lang, mag-remove lang tayo dito. Wait lang. So, i-ano lang natin to. Scan lang natin. Then, after that, you have MFA na. So, lagay lang natin yung current MFA dito. And next, wait for 30 seconds hanggang mag-refresh yung ating MFA. And, lagay din tayo ng next. And then, add MFA. So, I don't have the default. Kung ano yung nilagay mo, hindi yun. So, let's try to... Ay, wala pa siyang password. So, mag-add muna tayo ng password dito. Ayan. So, na-enable na natin yung kanyang MFA dito. So, next is... Yan. After that, MFA is created. Okay. Next naman is... Anong next? Ilagay natin dito yung user groups. Gagawa tayo ng CCTV data and analysis. So, yeah. Gagawa tayo ng user groups. Ilagay natin dito. CCTV. Then, yan. Mag-add lang tayo ng 5 policy dito. 3, 4, 5 policies. Then, create. Okay. Creating group. That's nice. So, same procedure. So, data analysis and database management. Data analysis. Tama ba data analysis? Analysis. Tama. Tama ba? Then, add lang tayo dito ng 5 credential. Yung next 5 yung i-add natin. 3, 4, So you don't need to enable ANFMFA dito. So yun. Then create lang natin. Okay, you don't need you must don't do a spacing. Yan. Then next is database management. Okay. Each user group has 4 users. Ay, with 3 policies pala. I'm sorry. Okay, then next. Adlaw natin to. Create. Then, yeah. Tatlo lang pala. So, next. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then, okay, again. Don't indicate on space. Just wait a minute. Bakit ayaw? Ayan. So, yan. Mag-create tayo ng user under the groups. So, yan. User 1. Yan. User 1. Then, next. Ilagay natin siya sa lahat. Ayan. CCTV, analysis, and anything. Then, yeah. Create user. Then, nag-create na siya. Then again, user 2, user 2, ilang user ba? Dahil lang mo, or user. Ayan. Then, after that, is punta na tayo dito sa create. Then, user 3, or user 3, yan, C, A, E. So, create. Then, last user 4. So, user din, user 4. Yeah, you can. Oh, wait. What is this? That's an optional. So, yan. Then, next. Then, create user. Then, you have the 4 users. You have the group. So, under the group, so you have a 4 users. So,